Welcome students. Myself, Dr. Shilpa Bhosle, Assistant Professor, Dempe College of Arts and Science, Miramar. Program Bachelor of Science, Second Year, Subject Botany, Semester 3, Course Code BOS 101, Course Title Floriculture. Title of the unit Nursery Management and Routine Garden Operation. Module name Techniques Soil Sterilization. Outline Concept of the soil sterilization, technique of soil sterilization. Learning outcomes explains the concept of soil sterilization and to formulate sterilized soil for garden operation. Introduction. When we plan a garden, soil becomes one of the important parameters, and when we want to grow some plants, the soil should be sterilized. Sterilization is a process by which we remove all the debris or the fungal spores, nematodes, and other things which can be causing or interfering with the plants. So soil sterilization becomes an important component. In a garden, there are operations that are to be followed for successful cultivation of the plants. And most of these operations such as soil sterilization, planting, transplanting, pruning, etc. becomes important, and it plays an important role for the growth of the plant. You can see in the picture the field soil sterilization. Soil sterilization is the process that removes or kills or deactivates all forms of life. Those are microorganisms such as fungi, bacteria, spores, unicellular eukaryotic organisms, etc., and other biological agents which are present. Soil sterilization is an essential operation to eliminate the soil-borne soil sterilization. This is an essential operation to eliminate soil-borne diseases caused mainly by fungi. Soil sterilization can be done either with steam or with chemicals. So here, steam and chemical are two important techniques which are used for sterilization. The soil which is meant for sowing is sterilized to save the seedling from fungal attack or some else fungi which may play an havoc with the germinating seedling. So when we sterilize the soil, we remove the fungal spores and other debris which can interfere. Coming to the first type of soil sterilization is steam sterilization. Steam sterilization may be done in the sterilization chamber with steam or heat under pressure at about 100 degrees. And in this, you can remove most of the fungal spores, nematodes. The seed pan or seed boxes or flat containers, the soil are inserted into the sterilized chamber and kept for half an hour. In this picture, we can see the sterilizing chamber. This is the sterilizing chamber which is used, and here in this, the soil is inserted. The steam sterilization is done by passing perforated pipes under the beds. The pipes are connected with high-pressure boilers. This is mainly done in the field. The surface of the bed is covered with canvas. Then the steam is released to raise the soil temperature to about 100 degrees Celsius. In this picture, we can see the pipes are connected with high-pressure boiler. You can see in this picture the pipes, and this is the canvas which is placed above. The surface of the bed is covered with the canvas, and then steam is released to raise the soil temperature to about 100 degrees. Here the beds are made first and the canvas is placed on top the soil. And the high pressure boiler is connected to pipes. So this will actually sterilize the soil, and it is called as the steam sterilization because steam is used. When we come to the steam sterilization for home gardening, where only a limited quantity of soil is required, the soil can be sterilized by a simple method. We can do it at home directly. A saucepan is half filled with water and boiled to about 95 degrees Celsius on a stove. The soil is taken in a metal container smaller in a diameter than the saucepan and placed in the boiling water. You should take care that water from the saucepan does not enter the soil. So that becomes an important point. The water should not enter the soil during sterilization. The soil in the container is heated to about 95 degrees Celsius and kept for 30 to 40 minutes. The soil is then used in the seed pan for sowing. Next process is chemical sterilization. In soil sterilization, chemically the sterilization is done. The other method is to sterilize the soil with 2% formalin or formaldehyde. The formalin solution is mixed thoroughly with the soil, and this is covered with canvas or gunny bags for 48 hours. Afterwards, when the traces of formalin smells has gone, the soil is worked up thoroughly, dried up and used for sowing. In recent years, some fungicides such as benlate, captan, bavistine, brassicol and Britox are also used for soil sterilization. In the picture, we can see the preparation of fungicides. A solution of above any one fungicide is used with percentage of 0.1 and 0.2 and used to wet the soil to be sterilized. Sterilization by steam is by far the best method as we consider, which kills all the fungal, bacterial spore, nematodes, etc. which can interfere with the germination of the seedling. Destroyed all unwanted seeds and tubers in the soil. Coming to the conclusion, sterilization by steam is by so far the best method as it kills all fungal, bacterial spores and nematodes. Also destroys all unwanted seeds and tubers in the soil. These are the references. Thank you, students.